Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday. Well, as you can see, I got some kits from AliExpress. I'm going to split this into, there's going to be one more part to this entire order. So let's get to it. So that's why it's out of the bag. We're going to go with this one because it's a little bit smaller than the other one. Let me get it out of its bag. It comes in a nice bag. And let me get it out of here. It'll never go back into that bag, I can guarantee. But, yeah. Is that not gorgeous? Look at all those flowers and the beautiful, I don't know if they're magpies, I'm not sure. If you know what they are, let me know. This is a 65 by 110, and it does say Mona Lisa cross stitch on it, so that's a good thing. It has a nice cover page. Let's see what we got going here. This is an 11 count. I had to look because, you know, it's been a hot moment. Oh, here's the colors. It has 46 colors. We have no 310 black, no 550 purple. We have 823 and 939, so I'm assuming those are your colors for your darkest part. And yeah, because I can see that it's like right on the branches there. This is just straight cross stitch. Anything else I know? No 3865. They're using 647 for the background of this. So it is full coverage. Does have a nice booklet. It's not broke down, I don't think, you know, into sections. I don't think there, no, there's not. And it is, ooh, let's see, 240 wide by 435 high. But it's not broken down into, you know, how some of them draw lines and, you know, this section, that page, blah, blah, blah. It's not like that. It's all on one page, but just absolutely stunning. Very well printed because it is Mona Lisa, and nice, easy to see symbols. And as far as I know, the paper pattern will not match the canvas. We'll take a look at that in a second. Let's take a look inside and see what we have. Well, it's all stuck it together. Hold please. We're having issues already. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Let go please of my echo. Alright. And I don't see any kits, you know, like tool kits or anything. It has 3 different thread cards, so everything is on this, you know, slide through thing. But we have some beautiful reds, tans, greens, olives, olive green, light, medium. Look at that blue. Not a whole bunch of that, but it must belong to that bird. Over here, we have 823 here and 939 here. Beautiful pinks. Look at that bright, vivid green. My goodness gracious. And more, I don't know, kind of a raspberry, and then this one next to it is kind of a salmon. Do have some teals, some darker blues. Just gorgeous, gorgeous threads. Okay, if I can just get it to let go. Oh my goodness gracious. See if we can look at this canvas. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's your tools. You get 2 needles. Unless that came from that other kit that I got the other day and it was sitting there. I wouldn't be surprised, but I don't see anything else. Sometimes, whoops, sorry, they'll be rattling. Sometimes they put needles, yep, There are 2 needles right here. We're going to take those out just so I don't stab myself. And put those right up there. And it does not have serging. I don't know what they call this. It's kind of a, you know, when you used pinking shears. Yeah, that's basically the way it looks. Nice big canvas. Very easy to see symbols. It does have a product number. If I can get a hold of it long enough. There's a product number there. And I will put links to these kits in the description box below. Very nicely printed. Let's take a look here. Where's my little piece of paper here? Come on. Okay, no, the symbols are totally different on the paper pattern than on the canvas. But huge, huge symbol and keys. Look at those birds. They're huge. But very nicely done. Yes, this is full coverage. I don't believe I'll be able to measure this. It says here 65 by 110. But very nicely done. Very, very nice. Just, can you see how crisp and so clean that Mona Lisa printing is just absolutely stunning. Just stunning. And you could add as much back stitching to this as you wanted. You could even do the background in half cross stitch if you put yourself into a mind of it, you know. Whoop, and another needle. I don't know if that came off my thing or not. But very nicely done, so I'm very happy about that. Let's take a look at the other one. And it comes in a crinkle bag. So let me get this out of its paper or plastic. All right. So we have a nice big kit. It's 132 by 72. It is 11 count. That's 533 up and down by 270 stitches across. So very, very nice. Very nice. But I know it's kind of a small picture in it. Let me bring it down. But I just loved all the colors and everything. It just has that antique glow look. And it is full coverage. You do the background. So let me just make a place for that. And let's look at the paper pattern. I don't believe this is a Mona Lisa. It doesn't say Mona Lisa. And the earmarks are not of a Mona Lisa. But, oh my goodness, I got it upside down. Very nicely printed, though. And you could blow it up if you wanted to. But very nicely done. I'm trying to see if we have any other key. Oh, here's the key. Okay, the key is on the same key is on each page, so you don't have to go looking very far. And we'll check and see if the symbols are the same. We have 63 colors. We have 310 black, 498 red, which is the brick red, no 550 purple. We have 823, no 939, we have 938. We have 3371, which is the brown, the dark brown, and 3865 for the white. The background is 951, number 44. So there's a lot of colors in this, even if the background is kind of, I want to say muted. I don't know what word I'm looking for, but very nicely done pattern. Let's see what we got in here. I hear more crinkling. Oh dear. There's your background color. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanks of that for the background. And it looks like 2 more smaller hanks of 2 different shades of green. Oh, there we go. See it much better. So that's nice. Everything else is on a thread card. Thank you so much. Let's see, which I'm trying to figure away. Oh, please. No toolkit in this one either. My goodness. Okay, trying to figure out which way goes which. Here we go. Nice soft thread, though. Look at all those purples and pinks and kind of a rustish color brown, bright orange. This is $4.98, I believe. I said that. Where is it? Number 14. Yep. This is $4.98, and 27 is 814. 814 and 815. It's a different shade of brick red. So, yeah, and this is kind of more of an orangish red. More on the orange tone than the red. And it is $3.49. So beautiful, beautiful colors. Just absolutely stunning. Just absolutely love this. Gorgeous. I love that blossom one as well. So very much. Beautiful, beautiful colors. 3371, dark brown. And as you can see, there's not a lot of 3865 white. Just gorgeous. Hardly wait. Just hardly wait to start these. We're going to wrap you up, and put you together. That way we know who you belong to. Because there's no product number on that at all. Okay, got to get this out of my freeway here. We'll see. This one, it's not, I don't think it's as wide. What was the other one? So, it's just a little bit longer, maybe another inch or 2. I'm trying to figure out, oh my God, which side is up? Nope, I had it right the first time. Hang on, guys, we'll get it yet. Holy cow, that thing is a pain in the ass. Absolutely. Oh my God, come on. All right. There you go. I don't know why they did that. That's kind of weird. Unless, let me look at this picture. Where is the picture again? I want to see this. Oh, I see. So those flowers, I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to get it as close and still as I can, are white up there. So it has one color to kind of define them and keep them separate from the back, or the background, I should say. And there are 2 needles right here. Put them over there before we stab ourselves. But very well printed once again. Let me look. First one is, now this one, the paper pattern and the canvas will match. So that's good. You don't have 2 separate things. Sometimes it does, sometimes they don't. But very nicely done. Very easy to see. That background's going to be a pain in the neck to cross stitch, but the shading should be very nice in here, in the flowers and all the other details, with 60 some colors. But very nice. Very, very nice. Huge. Then we have a little, looks like a bird's nest to me. Is that what that is? Well, no, I think it's a pot. Right here, where my finger is. With, like, some flowers or something in it. I'm not sure. Maybe those are dropped petals or something. Not sure what all that is. Used to know what that right there is, but I can't remember. I've slept since then. I don't remember what it's called. But very nicely done, very nicely printed, Nice, big, huge key. Now this one is serged all the way around. You can see the serging. It does not go into the numbers or anything. So, and you have a copy in the paper pattern of all these different things. So, very nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with these. If I can just get them to fold. They're kind of similar because they both have flowers in them, but yeah. I don't know, just liked them. All right. So that is all for this part. There will be links to those if you're interested at all in them. I think that's it. There should be one more part to this AliExpress unboxing, so that will probably be tomorrow. And I will have a Stitch with Me today at 1. That's Mountain Standard Time, USA. So join me for a Stitch with Me to see which one of these two I will start. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.